Hello everybody, my name is Chastity and I am from Pretty Ugly Makeup. This is my very first video on YouTube. I'm kind of nervous, so I have my liquid of courage. I don't promote drinking, but if you're legal, go for it. So today we're actually going to be opening the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collaboration, The Conspiracy. I bought the full collection that's priced at $210 American. So we're gonna open it up today and see what's inside. I took off all the labels. I haven't even opened it, as you can clearly see. It's very well sealed. So let's get started. Okie dokie. This is a pretty light box considering how big it is. But I'm going to assume there's a lot because I did get pretty much everything. So I got this through Beautylish and not Jeffree Star's website. I prefer Beautylish a little bit more because they have different varieties of kind of like bundles, or sometimes they're a lot easier to go through than the Jeffree Star's website. I did get this on release. It literally was in the countdown and I just purchased it and sent, and boom, done. A lot of people had a hard time with the website from the first release because it was crashing a lot for both Beautylish and Jeffree Star, but I was able to get the full collection. I think Beautylish just sent me some like instant cleansing balm stuff because it's Beautylish. Okay, so let's see a couple things. So already I can tell this is the Conspiracy and the mini Conspiracy palettes. Oh my god. I'm sorry for the squeaking. Put that down there. Alright, so this is a pretty large packaging. It reminds me a lot like the bigger packagings for Blue Blood and Blood Sugar. So if I can open it. Ah, come on, you broken hands. Am I doing this wrong? No, it definitely slides out. There we go. Let's hit the pull a little bit. Wow. So here we have the palette, Conspiracy, and it is very, very pointy. It's actually like a pyramid, like Conspiracy for pyramids. Take off this little seal in the front here. There we go. Nice and shiny. Okay, so here is the palette box in all its glory. Got the traditional buckle opens. Ooh, look at that. Just look at it. Look how pretty. Alright. Wow, these look great. These are like really pigmented too. I'm not sure if you can see. Can you see? This way. So these are really pigmented and they have pretty funny names. The white one is Ranch. We've got Pigment, which is a play on words for the pink. It's right here. Cheese Dust, which is hilarious. And my right here is a black one, Illuminati, which is this one right here. So let's swatch a couple, because I'm quite curious. So we'll do Food Vibes, which is the yellow one. We'll do Cheese Dust. And we'll do Illuminati, because that one's pretty, I like that color. It's like a really nice color. Alright, I'm going to put this down for 2 seconds. So we got our 3 colors. This one's probably the easiest to see. Oh, those definitely came out for sure. This one, I like this one the most. This came out really good. They're a nice pigmented color. They came off really well. Alright, let me just put those on there. So that's Conspiracy palette. Alright, we're going to open up the mini Conspiracy. Put this back in the box. It like barely fits in the box. Funny enough, because it's so pointy. So the box actually like lifts. Okay, we've got the mini mini controversy. Sorry, not conspiracy. This one's mini controversy. Ooh, nice packaging. So with this one, we've got mini controversy. There we go. These are also really nice colors. These are definitely like more blues and kind of like warmer colors. These are definitely more warmer colors. And even though this might look white, it's actually like a really soft blue. It's called Flat Earth. So we'll swatch a couple of those. So I'll do Flat Earth. Oh, that's really soft. The Simulation, and My Boyfriend's Purse. So we're just gonna do it like pretty much right next to the other ones. Let's do it here. Ooh. See, I think a little bit bluer on this one. I like My Boyfriend's Purse. That's funny. It's definitely a lot more warmer colors. Like warmer and a little bit of cool colors too. But that's fun. That's a fun palette. Okay. Put that back in the box. So, what else is in the box? We've got the makeup bag. So, woohoo! That's fun. I love the pig. The pig is hilarious. Take that plastic off. But like you can see closely, there's little piggies for the imprint too on the leather, and then you got your emblem in the front. This is a really nice big bag too. Pretty good size. Put my hand in there. This feels really good, really thick and durable. Oh, stay still. Stay still. Okay. We also have the lipsticks. So since this came in the collection box, they came separately in their individual boxes instead of the pig box. I wish I had the pig box that came with it. But I like, this is fun too. I like what came in the collection for $210 for all of them to come all at the same time and not be sold out. That's a pretty good deal. And then we have I believe two mirrors, yes. So two mirrors, and these are the pig mirrors, black and pink. So we'll open those in a second. Making sure that I got all the lipsticks because they're all like kind of on the bottom. More lipsticks and gloss. So, this is the gloss. It comes in clear. And it's called Shane Glossin' because it has to be. Just has to be. There we go. There it is. The gloss. So this is in a very, very nice tube. I'm not gonna swatch it because it's gloss and it's clear, so it doesn't really need to be swatched to see what color it is because it's clear. And then you get, let's see here, 6 colors for the liquid lipstick. We have Shane, I Gotta Go, Jeffrey, What the Fuck. There we go. Come on, focus, focus. And then we have Are You Filming, Ryland, and Oh My God. Literally it says Oh My God. It does not want to focus. Okay, so we're gonna swatch 3 at a time. So we'll do the first 3, which is Shane, I Gotta Go, and Jeffrey, What the Fuck. I always like to keep the boxes intact, so I always open from the bottom when they're the place that's not sealed, because I am that kind of person. So this is Jeffrey, What the Fuck. It's a very bright pink, like neon pink. And this is like thick, like it's a pretty thick color. It doesn't like thin out very well. So if you're wanting, this is probably a good base, and then put something on top. And then we have Shane, which is like a metallic brown, like oil, like an oil slick. There, I'm just gonna put it on my hand. There we go. It's probably easier to see. There we go. But you see that shine? Very shiny. Alright, and that one's definitely more brassy for sure. This one is like a copper color. This one is I Gotta Go. And the formula is still very much the same. It feels really good. It goes over really well. It's not sticky or clumpy. It's a nice smooth glide, which I've always really liked the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks because of that. So this one is definitely a more coppery color. Come on, you can do it. There we go. It's a nice copper color. So we got the bright pink, which is What the Fuck Jeffree. And then we have Shane and I Gotta Go. So we'll do Oh My God, which is like a bubblegum pink. Here we go. And we'll put this like here, a little bit more on top of my hand because it's probably easier to show on top of my hand. Yeah, this is definitely a bubblegum pink. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Put this back in here. And then we have Ryland, which is like a metallic bubblegum pink. Oh yeah, that's definitely like a metallic bubblegum pink. We'll put that right next to the other pink. This one definitely is a little bit thinner. Which if you wanted to definitely put this on top of like the really bright pink, like the Oh My God Jeffree, or even on top of the Oh My God, that would definitely work together. Come on, it's trying really hard. There we go, kind of. But you can see that it's like a bubblegum pink but metallic. That one's Ryland. And then we have our Are You Filming, which is definitely a bright red. And I'll put that one on the very bottom. Ooh. Oh, this is a very nice, bright, like apple red. Oh my gosh, that's a really good red. That's like red, pure red. Oh my gosh, that I love. That I love a lot. Oh, that's nice. That one is Are You Filming? Okay, so we swatched all the lipsticks. I showed you the gloss, the palette, and the mini. So what we're going to show now is the mirror, or the mirrors. Oh, look. Sticker just decided to come up by itself. All right then. Okay. Here we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Now that's a pretty pig. Look at that. Look at that. That's a nice piggy. It's pretty big too. Like, it's like literally my face. Try to make it funny. And then the mirror. Yeah, the mirror, of course. I can't really try to like deflect so it doesn't show the camera. There you go. But it's beautiful. It's huge and beautiful and piggy perfect. And then the pink one, which hopefully the sticker will also lift up. It does. Fantastic. There we go. Oh, it's lifting a little bit. Ta-da! The actual pig, and it's pink. Oh, these mirrors are perfect. They're literally perfect. It's just definitely like it shows definitely a good combination of Jeffree Star and Shane, and like definitely all they've built for so long to get this out. Everything came out so good, so good. Very proud of them. So that was the unboxing for the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson conspiracy collection. I know they're sold out for a lot of things right now. But I know Beautylish is restocking slowly. I don't know if Jeffree Star's website is restocking. But those are the two legitimate sites to buy the Jeffree Star makeup. I know I see a bunch of like third-party ones that are like, I got the, whatever box and I got this and whatever, and they're reselling it. That's illegal and it's probably fake. Just say, it's probably fake. So don't waste your money. Get the real stuff. Because you're paying for what you get. Alright, so that is all for today. I really appreciate your time watching this. Since this is my very first video, welcome to the channel. There definitely will be more videos coming up. I definitely am excited to do more unboxings, going through what I usually shop for, looks. I buy a lot of the collections. The Disney collections, BH Cosmetics, NYX, Real Techniques, a lot of different variety, even smaller brands too. But I'll definitely be more into doing my makeup looks, usually day to day or some experimental ones. I am starting a new job on Monday, so my schedule is just a regular 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. So I'll more than likely be doing all my stuff, recording, editing it, and then releasing sometime in the following week. Hopefully like 1 or 2 times during the week. But thank you for coming and seeing me and seeing the channel as it grows. But definitely subscribe, like, or dislike the video. I really hope you like it though. And I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!